In today's video, guys, I am going to quickly share with you guys this powerful strategy that you are looking at right now on my screen. And this strategy, you are going to use this strategy to trade volatility 25 index, guys. All right, this strategy is very accurate and perfect if you can use it the way I am going to explain to you guys here in this video. So all you just need to do for yourself right now is for you to pay very close attention. Be sure you watch from beginning to the end. Do not try to skip any part of the video, because the part that you might be thinking of skipping will be might be the particular part that will help you understand how the strategy works perfectly fine. So do yourself that favor and watch from beginning to the end to enable you understand everything that I'm going to share with you guys here in this video. So with that being said, guys, before we dive fully into this video, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, or if this is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from globalfx, and what I do here is whenever I come across any working strategy, I make sure I record a video around it and share it with you guys, my audience and my subscribers, my viewers, so that you too will try it out and see how it works. And with that being said, guys, let's dive fully into this video and let me walk you through on how this strategy really works. The first thing that you need to do, guys, is for you to come to your volatility 25 index this way, the interface like this, and then you can see I've said this times without a number that whenever you want to start your analysis, you must start your analysis from higher time frame, and after analyzing from higher time frame, that is when any strategy that you are trying to implement with that particular pair will be okay, and that is when it's going to produce an accurate signals for you to trade. Now you start the analysis from higher time frame, starting from daily or 4 hour down to 1 hour time frame. Then you check all your analysis on higher time frame, cross check them on your lower time frame, and if all of them are saying the same thing, which is purely price action trading, that is when you are going to add or use this particular strategy that I'm going to share with you guys here as a confluence to what you have analyzed, and that is when you are going to get it right. If I start doing that from in this video might take a longer time. So I've breaking it down to you guys so that you will understand what I'm saying. Start the analysis on higher time frame. Then let me first of all share the settings of this strategy with you guys. You go to your F icon here. All right, once you go to your F icon, the first indicator that you're going to add to your chart is our RSI, guys. All right, once you click on your main chart, which is this particular one that you are seeing here, when you get to your own chart, you are not going to see anything there. You are only going to see only this main chart. Click on it, then locate your RSI. Once you locate the RSI, then the settings or the period of the RSI is 1. Apply to close, styles 2 pixel, use color of your choice. Then this place is very important, guys. All right, this particular level here is very important. Be sure you set your levels to 80 and 20, and this is where you're going to set the level. You click on this pencil icon here, it will open up this way. Then you input those digits, which is the 80 and 20. Then you come back and click done. All right, so you come back to your F icon again, which is this one here, and meanwhile the RSI that we just added, look at it here. All right, you can change the color of this particular thing that you're seeing. So the RSI is just that white black line that you're seeing, fainted black line that you are seeing here. That is the RSI that we just added. Then you click on that F icon again, you add the second indicator in our RSI, which is stochastic oscillator. I open the settings here. You can see the setting. Just take screenshot of this setting. The period is 5, deep period is 3, slowing is 3, and then price field is low/high. Then a method is simple. Then what you are going to make use of is only the signal line. All right, this signal line. So then the main line, you are going to use the same color of your background on the main line, but the major signal line that we are using, you are going to use the color of your choice and leave it at 2 pixel. Then you click done. All right, so now that particular one that we added, which is stochastic, is the red line inside this RSI here. So you go back to the indicator icon here, then you add the last indicator here, which is moving average, and all these indicators that you're adding it to indicator window 1 then. All right, so I click on this particular moving average this moving average indicator. The setting, the period is 3, then shift is 0, then method linear weight, apply to previous indicators data, guys. Do not make any mistake here. Then this particular style here, you can change it to any color of your choice, and then you click done. All right, we are done and set on this particular one here, which is our indicator window 1. So we are going to add this Ichimoku on our main chart. All right, so I'm just doing this, I'm just taking my time to do this so that you guys will really make money from this market. Trading volatility 25 is very easy, guys. It's very easy. So all you just need to do is for you to follow these instructions. All right, hence you are basing your analysis, you are basing your your positions on indicators. All right, you just have to use this particular strategy, and be sure you share this video with others that are struggling to trade this V25 index, and God will bless you for doing that. So you click on this F icon again, then we are going to add this particular Ichimoku to the main chart. You click on the main chart now, not indicator window 1, main chart, to add this Ichimoku. Then I will open the settings right now. You can take screenshot of what you are seeing right now. I believe you are seeing it clearly, guys. All right, take screenshot of this and be sure you set your screen. What we are using here is only this particular up Kumo and down Kumo. All right, that is what we are using, and change it to the color of your choice. And if you don't like this particular color that I'm using, you can change it to the color that you can identify easily, and be sure all these places are like this. So after doing that, you click done. All right, so we are done with the strategy, the settings of the strategy that we are going to use. Now this is how this strategy works, guys. All right, so I'm taking my time to break this thing down like this, so that you will make money from this, guys. All right, so do well to smash that like button if you have not done so. Now this is what you need here. Whenever our indicators that we added in this within this our RSI gets to this 80 level here, all right, it means it has gotten to the overbought level. So all you just need to do is for you to cross check this. All right, if you cross check the price action, or if the price action is above this Ichimoku, and you spot this our indicators on our RSI here, you are going to open your position for sell. I mean, if this price action is below this Ichimoku here. All right, so but if it is not, do not open any position, let it go. All right, so now look at this one here. Once you spot this particular one here, and look at, you will see something like divergence here, guys. All right, so this particular one, you do not need to do anything, because when you look at this here, you see this kind of divergence, you don't need to do anything. But what you should be looking out for, because I know most of you or many of you will be reading it in another language, just look at the crossover within this. All right, if you look at where the moving average inside this our RSI and the stochastic crossed each other, if they crossed each other at the level of 20 or below 20, then you notice that this price action is above this particular Ichimoku on our main chart. That is when you will wait for a pullback. Once you wait for a pullback, once because for you to have seen the crossover above this Ichimoku here, that particular candle that pierces this Ichimoku is going to have a pullback to the Ichimoku. So once it has a pullback to the Ichimoku, then you open your position, you take that position. If you be on the position, or you be on the the trade for 5 to 10 15 minutes, you are out, you are scalping the market, guys. I'm trying to show you guys how to scalp. Look at this place here, look at my history. All right, this is the trade that I've taken today, and this particular trade hit my stop loss because I opened this position and let it go, and I slept off. All right, I just said this stop loss and I slept off, so it gave me a loss. All right, because the stop loss was too tight. All right, so that is exactly what happened. So but when you look at this here, when I wake up, I scalped all these things using the same strategy that I'm sharing with you guys, and as you can see, it works perfectly fine as well on step index. And I only traded step index because that is how I love trading my that is how I love carrying out my trading. All right, I love, if I'm trading this particular pair, I'm going to stick with that pair until I fail to see probably signals on that pair before I can move to another pair. So if you are trading this particular volatility 25 index, do well to follow this instruction that I explaining to you guys here. And once you look at this here, guys, all right, once you look at this here, this is example for sell. All right, look at this, look at the moving average and the stochastic oscillator inside our RSI crossed each other at the level of 80 here, and then look at the price action is below this Ichimoku. All right, this is the Ichimoku here, the price action is below it, and look at what happened. All right, it's as simple as that, guys. I am trying to break this thing down so that you guys will make money. All right, so when you look at this, it's not every signal that you will trade. Have patience. All right, always make use of your patience when trading. Do not be jumping from one trade to another, and at the end of the day you will end up losing your money, or at the end of the day you will end up on a break even. It doesn't make sense. Just always calm down. You can see the clear picture of what I'm saying. This is the crossover at the level of 80 here, and this price action is below this particular place, this particular Ichimoku here, and boom, you see what happened. You see the collapsing of this V25 index, guys. It's as simple as that. This is a scalping strategy. Just make sure you use it this way and you will make a lot of money from this market. I'm telling you the truth. All right, it might take you a few minutes, or 5, 10, 15 minutes, 1 hour for you to to have seen a proper setups. Just be patient and wait for it. Look at another one here. All right, look at this formed at this level here, and look at price action is already above this particular Ichimoku, and look at this here. All right, as soon as it happened, what happened? You see this here, you scalp, guys, highest 10-15 minutes, but this is over 4 hours. All right, but just pick at least 10-15 minutes, you are okay, you are out of the trade. You look for another setup, and if you can hold that trade, if you actually know what you analyze on a higher time frame, and you know that at this specific zone that this trade or this pair is going to go long, you hold. All right, highest you'll be trailing your profit. All right, so if you are getting value from this video, do not forget to smash that like button. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to smash that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share valuable content like this, you will be among the first that YouTube is going to pop notification that I have shared another valuable content that will help you make a lot of money from the market. And also do well to share this video with your friends and family that are also struggling on how to trade all these pairs. Share this strategy with them. That is the only thing, that is the only money that you are going to pay to me right now, as I'm showing you guys love by taking my time to analyze this properly like this with you guys. The only thing that you can do right now is for you to share this video so that you to be able to as well share this video or pop this video up to people that really need this, just the way you discovered this video right now. Look at another setup here. All right, look at another one here. Then by then the price action is above this Ichimoku line, and what happened? Look at this here. All right, and this is above how many hours? More than 24 hours. This place that you are seeing, if you look at this place here, I'm not telling you what is not working. Look at this here. All right, this particular time frame that you're seeing is H1. All right, we are looking at H1, and for this many candle that we are seeing here, that is over 24 hours. So if you pick only one of these candles, you have made a lot of money. Why don't you share it so that others will benefit from this video as well? And if you want me to mentor you on how you are going to be getting sniper entry, there is a way you are going to be getting sniper entry. When I say sniper entry, is 0 drawdown when opening a position, which I can only teach my mentorship students. All right, so if you want me to mentor you on how to be getting sniper entry on all these pairs, all you just need to do, or you want to be a specialist on one specific pair, what you just need to do is for you to use the WhatsApp number in the description of this video that you're watching right now, and reach out to me and let me know that you want me to mentor you. I mean, people that are ready to get started, that people that are serious and ready to change their life. Just do well to use the WhatsApp number in the description of this video that you're watching right now, and I will give you mentor you and train you on how you are going to be getting sniper entries on these pairs. And that is how it is, guys. And also do well to join my Telegram channel. It's a free Telegram channel. I always, probably whenever I'm trading and it comes across my mind, I will always send signals to that channel. For a very long time now, I have not sent any signal to them, but believe me, whenever I send, you will make a lot of money, except you are too greedy or you don't have enough money that you are trading with. And once you are following my instructions, you will make a lot of money if I send out signals. So exactly that is how it is. And also probably let me look whether I'm going to see another one. Look at another signal here, guys. All right, look at this here. There is nothing you can give to me right now that surpasses you smashing that like button. It's very, very important for this video to go viral, guys. Look at another one here. Once this crossover happen at this level, this is level 20 here, and the price action is already above this Ichimoku line. Now look at what's happened here. You see that? That is exactly what I am sharing with you guys. I'm not sharing with you guys what is not working. All right, so that is exactly what you should be doing. I'm going to leave the links to my books as well in the description of this video. Do well to grab a copy of those books. Those books are going to help you open your eyes to see many things that seems like hidden treasures when trading forex. All right, so but the most important thing, this is not the right time for you to be playing try and error. All right. Invest on your education when it comes to forex trading. If you do not invest in learning, there is no way you're going to make money from the forex market. You cannot watch random YouTube videos and you believe that you are going to use that to make a lot of money from the market. You must need someone that will lead you, mentor you, and direct you, that has been where you are right now, to direct and mentor you on how you are going to make money from this market. So that's exactly how it is. And I don't want this video to get too long. You can see exactly typical example of what I'm saying. This is not what many of you will be referring as it happened before the price, or this is happening right away. All right, so let's just look at another one. Look at another one here. There are many signals that you will be getting from this, but look at another one here. Look at another one at the level of 20 here, and then the price action is above this place. Boom, look at what happened. It's over 24 hours. All right, it's as simple as that. And if you actually knows what you analyze on higher time frame, probably, or as you break your time frame into different series, and you know what you analyze, that this pair will be going up. If you have seen this and we open your position here, you hold. All right, you hold. You know exactly where to go out of the trade, and where to go out of the trade is when this price action crosses this Ichimoku line, or this Ichimoku cloud. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. So give me thumbs up on this video, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and family that are struggling as well. Look at another one here. Look at the selling opportunity. It has been ranging from this zone here, showing that the trend is about to change. And look at this here, and then look at what happened here. As soon as this happened here, touch this place for the third time, you look at it, break above, you wait for this price to break below this Ichimoku cloud, and as soon as it breaks, then you take it down. You see that here? Simple, guys. That is what I am talking about. Let's go to probably the current trend line. Look at another one here. Look at this here, guys. All right, look at this movement, especially when you see this this is forming W, and the second leg is above this particular Ichimoku cloud, guys. What are you waiting for? All right, what are you waiting for? Look at it. You see how far that went. All right, look at it here. Look at another one. You see this price is above already. You pick your, just wait for a pullback to any break of structure zone, then you pick your trade. It's as simple as that. All right, so now let's go to current. Look at this here. All right, because what we are saying is what is happening here. Look at this here. All right, look at this and look at this. You see this here is above. So what I will do now is I will wait for any pullback. If I go to my lower time frame, I'm going to see, if I go to my lower time frame, I'm going to see a pullback to any, probably a break of structure or a change of character within this zone here, or other confirmation that will help me to confirm that this is where I'm going to open my position, and I will open the position and I will follow this trend, move down. It's as simple as that, guys. So that is exactly how it is. And if you are getting value from this video, just as I said earlier on, do well to smash that like button, share this video with your friends and family that are also struggling on how to make money trading all these pairs. And if you want me to mentor, you know what to do. Use the WhatsApp number in the description of this video and talk to me directly that you want me to mentor you, and exactly that is what I'm going to do for you. All right, so also grab a copy of my books. Just as I said earlier on, if you cannot afford anything, try as much as possible to afford that book and grab a copy of it. There are many books there. Grab copies of that book and go trade. It will definitely help you make a lot of money from the market. It's going to open your eyes to understand some past secret whereby it's very hard to talk about on YouTube here. So that is exactly how it is. Signing out, Olites. Peace.